Hi everyone, welcome to Varam Nutra. On the menu today we have vegetable biryani. This is a very tasty one. I'm sharing with you the easiest version of making this vegetable biryani. Let's quickly see the ingredients here. Onion, you take 2 onions, slice it into thin slices. Take vegetables like carrots, beans, capsicum and beetroot, each 100 grams, and tomato 150 grams, mint leaves and coriander leaves. If you have green peas, you can add that also along with this. Take around 10 pieces of breads and 1 cup of basmati rice, ginger garlic paste, curd and oil 1 tablespoon and ghee 1 tablespoon. Now let's see how we are going to do it. Keep a heavy bottomed pan in the stove, medium flame, oil 1 tablespoon and ghee 1 tablespoon. Add bay leaves 1 or 2 into it. Add cinnamon, cardamom, star anise, jadipatri or nutmeg and cloves into it. Saute for a minute. Now add the onions sliced and saute till the onions turn golden brown. Once onion turns golden brown, add the ginger garlic paste and saute till the raw smell disappears. Now time to add in the tomatoes. I'm adding 2 tomatoes sliced, and now you have to saute it till the tomatoes turn soft. You can close with the lid and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes for the tomatoes to turn soft. Now the tomatoes have turned soft, add in the vegetables one by one. Add beans and carrot and saute for about 3 minutes. Then add in the capsicum and saute for a minute or 2. Now add a handful of mint leaves, which gives a great aroma to this biryani, and then saute it for a minute. I've soaked 1 cup of basmati rice in water for about half an hour and I have drained the water completely. Add that into it and toss around gently. Now add curd, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, adjust it according to your need. One teaspoon of garam masala powder. You can add any biryani powder, but I don't prefer to do that. I just add garam masala and that's enough to get a great taste. Turmeric powder around 1/4 teaspoon you add and mix everything gently. Add required salt, approximately 2 teaspoons of salt will be okay for it. Now for 1 cup of basmati rice, I'm adding 2 cups of water, so that will be sufficient. Now you must be wondering why I didn't add beetroot. See, now I'm adding in beetroot. When you add beetroot in the end and you don't mix it, the color of the beetroot doesn't go for the rice. So it will be very nice. So you add the beetroot at this stage, you close it with a lid and cook for about 20 minutes. So in the meantime, we will just roast the bread. You can do it 2 ways. You can either deep fry it in oil or ghee. I just toast it with little ghee in a tawa. It's been 20 minutes now, so let's open and see. It's cooked very well. So switch off the stove and gently mix it. See, now you can see the color of the beetroot hasn't gone to the rice. The rice is in biryani color itself. So now add the bread pieces into it and gently mix everything. Do not over mix it. Now once you have done that, add in little mint leaves and a tablespoon of ghee. Close it with a lid for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open and mix everything well. If you like all my videos and you haven't subscribed it, kindly subscribe my channel, share the videos with your friends and families, and do hit the like button. Thanks for watching Varam Nutra. Your awesome biryani is ready now. Serve it with raita and chips.